how to buy Solana from Binance in just the app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Solana crypto on Binance app. So first thing we do is we go to Binance, and now if you want to buy the Solana crypto, you have to click here on this option down below and then choose buy, and after that you choose Solana. And if you didn't find it here, you can search for it right here. You can type Solana or just Sol like this and choose Solana, and you type the amount of money that you want to spend on this coin. If you want to spend 100 or 1000 or even 10,000 investment, and then you click buy. Because I'm not logging into my account, I'm not having the buy option here, but you will find buy here. And if you want to sell it, you can sell it just from here or buy it. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I hope it was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.